I'm so excited.
Just be honest. 내 머릿속에 넌 남아있어 now, now. Maybe you get it. 너의 맘도 날 찾고 있잖아, babe. Yeah. 조명 사이로 비친 너의 silhouette, no. 끌어당겨 날 너에게로. Make me feel like I've been stuck here hand tight. 시간이 너무 느려. She don't need no love. She don't need no love, baby. She don't need no love, no love. I've been drowning in your ocean. Drowning in your ocean. Drowning. So don't be coming for me, 'cause you're not looking for no love. You don't understand what you're doing to me. 지우려쓰는 내 모습이 안 보이니. Can't handle all of you, no. Oh, no.
Oh my god.
That's so cool.
I have the letter H, so I'm doing a hibiscus flower.
Don't know why it's hard to say no. 이미 늦어버린 걸, it's all out of control. Yeah.
Yeah, they do. I want to will it in the front yard. We'll have
Drowning in your ocean. Drowning in your ocean. Drowning. So don't be coming for me, 'cause you're not looking for no love. Drowning in
I love it, like the really structure.
Drowning in your ocean.
And every time I work on it, it's like kind of like maybe.
Shit.
What shit?
And like
You mean when?
when you want to. Move out of the way.
Blow over.
Okay.
Do you think it would help if I emailed her? I think.
Then we're gonna be able to see this like extra shit when we're looking through here. Okay, well it was here and down here, right? Yeah. Okay, so red is down here. And
Bonnie and I are in charge of the charcuterie board that's happening. They are finishing up setting the whole puppet stage upstairs and getting the puppets done.
Who are you? Socks. I panicked. Jesse Sockman, yo. Like that. I need you! Dilly, do we have any more socks? Where?
Yeah.
Where?
In my room.
We need a salt.
We need a salt.
Put them down, run! What's wrong, Dilly?
Does she not have eyes? I think the glasses characters don't have eyes.
Yeah, I don't think
Okay, that's so funny.
A blowfish. Think about it. A bee.
Can you help us?
I don't know. Let's talk to my lawyer. Scene change to Saul Goodman's office. Did you know you have rights? The Constitution says you do. And so do I. Hi, I'm Saul Goodman. Sock, just stop. We get it. I didn't realize Guy was in this. Okay, wait, yeah. Wait.
Do you want me to say my line?
No, yeah.
Not now, Dory! I have to think!
Hey guys, over here.
Huh?
I can help you.
Really?
Yeah, follow me.
Alright.
This seems totally legit and not suspect at all.
Huh? What?
That is my cousin, Laura, that looks just like Laura Palmer. The horse appears. The horse disappears.
I just want to find my son! What is happening?
Scene cuts to black.
Sorry, this is...
Jacob,
It's okay, it's your line.
It's gonna be uncomfortable.
Never mind.
Yo. Welcome back to the ABQ.
The AB what?